Did you know? Before surface mount technology, all electronic components were assembled using through-hole technology. It might sound old school now, but back in the day, before the late 1980s, it was the standard. These days, most PCBs use SMT. It's fast, cost-effective, and perfect for high-density designs. But does that mean THT is outdated? Not quite. It still has an important role to play. At PCBasic, we still use THT for components that need extra mechanical strength. Think USB ports, power connectors, or parts exposed to heat and vibration. THT provides stronger, more durable joints than SMT. It's also perfect for prototyping because you can easily remove and swap components, ideal for engineers or hobbyists. Of course, THT has its downsides. It's bulkier, takes up space on both sides of the board, and often requires manual assembly. SMT, on the other hand, is fully automated and super efficient. So what's the solution? Use both. At PCBasic, we support mixed technology assembly, including pin and paste, which combines the best of SMT and THT. You get compact designs and solid mechanical stability. Whether you need full SMT, THT, or a hybrid solution, PCBasic has the right PCBA service for your small to medium batch production. Fast prototyping, reliable quality, and excellent service. Just a call or click away,